can imagine that this box in the middle is the spaceship body, say, and this thing on this side is one of the wings, or just think of this as detail that is attached to the main body, and this detail we want to symmetrically mirror onto the other side. So all I have to do is make sure that this object is selected, so that's the wing, and I go to clone instance. So that's now instanced, and I go to the instanced object, and I go to its properties. I double click on the instance here, double click there, click here, and I just make sure that this is set to pivot. And then the other thing I do is I come down here and make sure that this mode is, and this is in scale, that this mode is set to uniform, and then we simply put a negative in front of the 100, so it's a negative 100%. That sort of effectively turns the object inside out, scales it inside out, and then we go to rotation, and we go to the pitch, but we have to make sure this is also set to uniform, and we go to the pitch, we put that to 180 degrees, and then you're going to find that it's now mirrored across like that. And the other thing we should do is go to the scene editor and make sure that everything's kind of parented correctly. So we want the wings parented to the body, and we want that instanced wing also parented to the body, and that means that when I move the body around, it's going to all move together like one single object. Okay, so that's what I needed to do. But just say we just want to symmetrically mirror a single object, as in this case. In fact, just to prove that it is two objects, there we go. And there's no visible join in the middle here, and it's a sub-patched object, so it's just sort of showing that we can really get value out of instances and make them, just to economize the scene for render, and make use of the fact that we've got instances and we can symmetrically instance them as well.